Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Tan x, that is about sin x over cosine x. Cosecant of x, that is about 1 over sin x. So I will put this one gone here. And this one, that is about this one. Next, this one multiplied by this one and sin x. And now we have like this. So we combine two fractions together. Now we have the formula. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have cosine x squared equals to 1 minus sin x squared. And now I will put this one gone here. So we need to simplify cosine x, and you got cosine x. The integration of cosine x, that is about sin x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.